solve the simultaneous equations. So we've got another pair of quadratic and then linear simultaneous equations. We're going to have to use the substitution method for this one, and I always substitute the linear equation into the quadratic one. In this case though, I'm going to need to rearrange the linear one first so that I can either make x or y as the subject before I substitute it into equation 1. It's completely up to you, whichever you prefer. You might look at what's easier to rearrange in the linear equation. You might also look at what's easier to substitute. For example, this is just x squared, whereas the other one is minus 2y squared. So I'm going to make x the subject of this equation. So we get this, but I'm actually going to simplify that fraction. I'm going to now substitute this into the quadratic where there is an x. Now we have an equation with just y's in it. I just need to do a lot of expanding and simplifying. Now that I've got it into a quadratic with everything on one side and 0 on the other, I'm going to factorize. So now I just need to solve. So now I have two solutions for y, minus 4 over 7 or 4. I'm going to take those two solutions and sub them back into the linear equation. However, what you can do is sub them back into your rearranged linear equation. The reason being is we now want to find out what x is. So if I already have an equation where x is the subject, then it's going to be much easier for me to work out. So for the first one, I'll do x is minus 4 over 7 plus 12 over 2. And for the second, x is just 4 plus 12 over 2. So my solutions will be x is 40 over 7 and x is 8. So there are our solutions to the simultaneous equations. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the GCSE Maths Pro YouTube channel where I have full videos going into more detail. Link is in my bio.